Good afternoon. My name is Samuel. Welcome to my seller page. Stop paying for inventory. Stop paying for inventory softwares every month. Purchase a one-time inventory business automation built on Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a free software. And I have built and coded everything you need for your business, be it industry, supermarket, pharmacy, retail shops. If you're an importer and exporter, whatever you are doing that requires sales and record, this will serve you beyond your imagination. Okay, now here is an inventory page. This is examples of item 1 to whatever items you have. It is built that in a way that in your inventory, you will put your prices. You can see the first quantity you have. When you have a new quantity, you add, and the balance will be here. Then whatever you sell, we automatically add here. As it is adding here, it is reducing here. And when you have a low stock, it will give you a pop-up. And every morning, it will check all your inventory. Depending on how you set it. On this script, I stated that whenever an item is below 50, it will show as a low stock. So I will refresh this page and you will see the items that are in low stock category. Okay, so it is very easy to use. Once you put your price here, when customer comes, this is invoice. When customer comes, you don't need to come and put the price manually. All you're gonna do is to select the items, you can see it, and the price will also fall in. So it is very easy to do. You can see what I'm doing. Select the items because you have already added the price on the inventory sheet. So now, when you put the quantities, it will now, you can see, it will now calculate automatically and give you total. Okay, this is the all total, and this is the amount in words. Okay, it can be edited at your own choice. Okay, now another thing is that this invoice, if you click here, save and record, it will save the invoice on a Google Drive and give you an option to print it. Okay, if you print it, you print, and once it's saved, it will come to a record section sheet and record the what the person have bought, the date, invoice number, date, customer name, and the amount. Now take a look here. We have 10,000,530 as what the last buyer bought. Okay, now this is customer 1. Let me check the person I put on invoice. Okay, let me change to customer 2. Or even customer. Okay, let me go to customer 2. Okay, let me customer 5. Okay, so now once I click save, you will see the pop-up and how it will happen. Okay, this print is for mini receipt. Let me show you how mini receipt looks. Okay, print. Just watch. You will see how many receipts it looks like. For those, you can see it. For those who are using those who are using like pharmacies and supermarket that use mini printing machine or don't have to waste big papers printing what customers buy. You use the mini printing button. Let me save it so it will leave the page. Okay, let me just save it so that it will leave the page. Okay, save. Okay. The reason is that it's because I did not set the printer. So now this is what everybody need, the big players, industries, import and exporter, big shops that want to have their record. Once you click here, see what will happen. It will not save the invoice on your Google Drive. Okay, now you see invoice saved successfully. Would you like to print the invoice? Let me choose no, because I don't want to print it. But I will show you the invoice where it was saved on the Google Drive. Okay, now I click no. Then come to records. You see records. You see the last one was 10,530,000. This is the 32nd invoice number. Once you make every invoice, once you make the invoice, I don't want person the invoice, we add one. You can see the customer 5, you see the amount. So this record will be there. Then the inventory again will be updated. So the quantity sold will come here and update automatically. So whenever you open the the Google Sheet in the morning, or anytime you refresh, it will show you. Okay, let me refresh. It will show you the stock alert. No stock alert. Just watch. This is no stock alert. Every morning, it will check it and send to your email that their stock is alert. So you know the item that is of low stock. So you don't have to be checking it manually. In case you have so many items, you can see items so and so are of low stock. You can see them here. So you will see it here every morning. It will check all of them and send it to your email. So I think it's a wonderful idea. What again? What again? I've shown you everything you need to know. If you have any question, you ask me. You don't need to be carrying around stock book or whatever. Yes. Once again, the inventory here can be protected. If you need you protect here, because you may not trust your workers. Everybody can have access to the invoice, because everybody can make invoice to send a customer. Then the inventory can be manipulated, so you have to protect it. Only the authorized will come here. If you don't have access to this place, if you come here, you can't change all these numbers. You can't change them because they will automatically be updated. Then the price again, price is also embedded. To change the price is the authorized person that will change the price. So everybody can have access to the invoice, to attend the customers and do everything. But the inventory, that is the stock area, only the authorized will have access there. Then it will always record as I have shown you. Okay, I think this is all you need at this age. Everything is going digital. Digitalize their business. Stop carrying books all up and down. And one thing good about this is you can manage your business wherever you are. You go to holidays, you travel to the village, you go to a meeting, you traveled, you'll be seeing what's happening in your business, even with your cell phone. This works best with laptop, works with tablet. What phone can have some limitations, but at least with phone, you can see what's happening in your business. Thank you for patronizing me.